Current HEX cost especially is $0.032. HEX falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. HEX cost examination by and large is negative today in a kind of significant manner. First help level for HEX generally is at 3 cents in a very enormous manner. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some pressing issues. What sort of is certainly transient cost expectation for HEX. Truly is HEX a very wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought. HEX help in obstruction levels and so forth, or so they in a real sense thought. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the HEX specialized examination, generally, let us certainly discuss the really current economic situations and in an every practical sense, significant way. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1.182,407,897,617 exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $52,294,939,930, showing how the 4th of April 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some pressing issues. What in a real sense is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for HEX will be HEX an essentially wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP basically is somewhere around 2.13 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, which by and large is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So various elective digital currency. As Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a sort of descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, showing how XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents in an all things considered, huge way. As of now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely significant manner. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more by and large dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Most certainly further appearance how HEX cost examination in every way that really matters is negative today, or so they in every practical sense thought. Similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which vendors sort of become move most certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters higher in a very large way. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of HEX execution. The day-to-day graph of HEX explicitly shows that the HEX cost has a very descending development with a 1.19% reduction in sort of beyond 24 hours, which generally is very critical. The value worth of the HEX coin most certainly is remaining at 3 cents with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD, showing how HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that HEX help and opposition backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $3,738,949 USD, exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $52,294,939,930, showing how the 4th of April 2023. In this video, we will walk you through hex cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified some pressing issues. What basically is truly momentary cost expectation for hex? Generally, is hex a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside an everyday time period certainly made sense of beneath, which generally is very critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving pretty normal and remarkable moving certainly normal, to truly examine the future development of the hex, which generally is genuinely huge. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Hex financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline. So current hex cost explicitly is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Hex truly has a certainly the closest obstruction of 3 cents, showing that hex help and opposition backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that hex help and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which explicitly is very huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would really help the upturn force. Genuinely further appearance how the MACD line most certainly is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at 3 cents, or so they explicitly thought. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers for the most part betray the hex, the truly bears could handle the market and truly take hex cost beneath the urgent help level of 3 cents. Showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $182,407,897,617 in an extremely large manner. While Hex's Williams %R marker generally is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange certainly signal really is especially conceivable at this reach, or so they truly thought. The really relative strength record shows that the hex coin in a real sense is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI generally is at 54, exhibiting that the genuinely relative strength list demonstrates that the hex coin truly is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI fundamentally is at 54, or so they all things considered, thought. Ends hex truly is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to explicitly suggest that the cryptographic money really is in an unsafe circumstance that can't sort of be corrected, showing how